Hey, it's Max with Aura, and today we're talking about credit card scams and what you need to know to keep yourself safe. Over 127 million Americans have fallen prey to a credit card scheme, and the problem, it's only getting worse. In 2021 alone, the Federal Trade Commission reported $5.8 billion in fraud losses. That's a 70% increase compared to the previous year. So with the surge of credit card scams showing no sign of slowing down, it's crucial for cardholders to learn how to keep their personal information safe. In this video, we'll explore the most common credit card schemes and how you can protect your credit card information from scammers. So here are 7 common credit card scams to avoid. Number 1, fraudsters offering interest rate deductions. In an interest rate deduction scam, fraudsters pose as customer service representatives from well-known lenders and credit card issuers. The scammers contact you by email or phone and explain that you're eligible for a big reduction in your credit card interest rate. Honest credit issuers do not make unsolicited calls or request payment over the phone. So if someone contacts you in any way and asks for your credit card, hang up right away. Scam number 2, charity scams taking advantage of trending news stories. Charity scams are a type of fraud in which scammers pose as known organizations and encourage people to make charitable donations. The donated money is then sent directly to the criminal's bank account. This long-running scam can be easily adapted to trending issues in the news. And once you make the donation, the scammers may then sell your credit card information to other criminals on the dark web. That information can then be used to commit various types of identity theft. So if you do receive calls asking for donations, share no information, especially your credit card numbers, and then end the call. Number 3, public Wi-Fi scams that steal your credit card information. The public Wi-Fi scam, or hotspot scam, is a common method of credit card fraud. Hackers use unsecured networks to gain access to devices and steal data, including credit card information. Some criminals create false Wi-Fi signals with embedded tracers that can record credit card details while unsuspecting users enter personal data on their devices. So if you do need to use a public Wi-Fi, ask a staff member for the correct login credentials rather than joining any open Wi-Fi networks. And under no circumstances should you submit your credit card details to gain access to unsecured Wi-Fi. Number 4, reward scams and fraudulent sweepstakes. In reward scams, criminals trick their victims by promising discounts or coupons in return for making purchases. For example, you might get an email or a text that appears professional in its design and messaging, but instead of legitimate credit card rewards, this scam lures people to click on bogus links that trigger malware downloads. Once that happens, the scammers can access your credit card data. If it does look like a reputable company, check their website or reach out to their customer service to verify that it's legitimate. Number 5, skimming and shimming scams. In skimming and shimming scams, fraudsters install skimming devices on or inside credit card payment terminals, which collect card data. Known targets for this scam include gas pumps and ATMs. According to the FBI, skimming costs financial institutions and consumers over $1 billion every single year. So look out for signs of tampering or misuse whenever you use your credit card at a shop or ATM. Number 6, overcharge scams that ask you to verify your card numbers. In an overcharge scam, fraudsters send emails or make phone calls notifying you about an overpayment on your credit card account. But to access your refund, you first need to verify your credit card numbers. In reality, there is no overcharge, and any attempt to verify will send your credit data to a scammer. So the best advice is to never give up any sensitive information over the phone to unsolicited callers. Number 7, phishing scams asking for payment or card details. A phishing scam is a type of social engineering scheme in which thieves contact victims through emails, text messages, or phone calls. For example, someone claiming to be from your bank might call to warn you that your credit card numbers may have been compromised. They'll use urgent or threatening language to get you to provide them with your numbers and other sensitive information that they can then use for fraud. So if you receive unexpected communication from someone with an urgent demand for money or credit card payments, say no. And never click on any links or download attachments and emails from unknown senders. So if you want to keep your personal data and finances safe, you must protect your credit card information. With Aura, you can enjoy the benefits of continuous online surveillance, real-time alerts of potential identity theft, and comprehensive insurance coverage for stolen funds. So if you're ready for peace of mind and financial protection, head to Aura.com and get 14 days for free. We'll see you next time.